Here's how it started and here's how it ended. Hey guys, welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. Today we are working on this Hyundai Staria and we are about to give it some clean upgrades that will make it look even better. So before we install, we measure everything first. The next up, we are cutting our Nano-Tech MAX series based on the exact measurements that we got. Then now for the installation, we heat shrink the film first so it perfectly matches the curve of the glass. Next, we deep clean and scrape the windows to make sure there is no dust or residue left behind. Once everything is ready, we carefully apply our Nano-Tech MAX series, remove the water and air bubbles, trim the edges for a perfect fit, and lastly, do one final check. From start to finish, every detail matters. And that's the final result. The Hyundai Staria is now equipped with our Nano-Tech MAX series for a cleaner look and better driving comfort.